much though, mate? How much parsley do you need?
Hi, I'm Paul Owen.
My name is Joe Denham. We launched the VegTrug business in 2009 at Glee.
And we've come a long way from Glee initially. We do a raised vegetable bed. We teach people how to grow their own at home.
Well, Paul came up with the original drawing. He kind of saw it, the shape, and kind of drew it out for me. Came to me and said, what do you think of this? Well, I think it's fantastic, but we need to teach people how to do it. It's become a design classic. That V shape that enables a wheelchair user to sit right underneath the product.
We tended to market towards the older generation. Our product's great for the elderly because it's a comfortable working height. But the last sort of 4 or 5 years, there's a huge movement for the younger generation that have missed out really on allotment growing.
Kids love it because they'll eat everything they grow in it. It's a fantastic education tool. We donate a lot of VegTrugs into schools, in care homes, for soldier and military rehabilitation centres. So it cuts across all social and economic barriers. To at least in some part feel that you are generating your own food. It's very satisfying to the person doing it.
There's just something natural about digging in the soil, planting something, seeing it grow, and then being able to eat it.
It's gone on to become a revolution in how people eat. Some of the letters we've received over the years from people we've got back into gardening, when people start growing for health and well-being, that's the future.